Kim Kardashian didn't just become a household name, she built a business empire that rivals Hollywood itself. From turning Instagram posts into million-dollar marketing tools to launching billion-dollar brands like SKIMS and KKW Beauty, Kim transformed fame into a fortune with strategies most people could never imagine. But what's her secret? Today, we're breaking down exactly how she went from reality TV star to one of the most powerful entrepreneurs in the world, and the story is as surprising as it is inspiring. Kim Kardashian is a name that evokes instant recognition across the globe. From reality TV star to fashion icon, social media influencer, and billionaire entrepreneur, Kim has redefined what it means to turn fame into fortune. While some dismiss her rise as a product of Hollywood glamour and media attention, the reality is far more strategic. Kim Kardashian's journey is a case study in personal branding, digital marketing, and entrepreneurial foresight, proving that she didn't just inherit fame, she built an empire around it. Kim first entered the public eye in the early 2000s through her friendship with Paris Hilton, appearing occasionally in media coverage. However, her breakthrough came in 2007 with the debut of the reality TV show Keeping Up with the Kardashians. The show was an instant hit, offering viewers a voyeuristic glimpse into the lives of Kim and her family. While many celebrities had reality shows before, Kim turned hers into a platform that elevated her personal brand. Every episode, every red carpet appearance, and every social media post became a calculated move in building influence. The Kardashians understood that the media loves a story, and Kim knew how to position herself as the centerpiece of that story. But fame alone does not create wealth. Kim Kardashian realized early on that to translate visibility into money, she needed to monetize her personal brand. One of her first major moves was capitalizing on the world's growing obsession with beauty and fashion. In 2010, she launched Dash, a boutique clothing store co-owned with her sisters, which became a physical representation of their brand. Though Dash eventually closed in 2018, it set the stage for Kim to understand brand-based businesses and retail operations. This experience taught her lessons about branding, supply chains, and customer engagement that she would later apply on a global scale. Social media was where Kim truly transformed her fame into a business machine. By the mid-2010s, platforms like Instagram and Twitter had become marketing powerhouses, and Kim was quick to recognize their potential. With tens of millions of followers, she had a direct line to a massive audience, one that trusted her recommendations. Unlike traditional celebrity endorsements, Kim's posts felt personal and authentic, making products she promoted highly desirable. Whether it was a new perfume, a makeup line, or a fashion item, every post became a strategic advertisement. She mastered the art of blending personal content with product promotion, creating a model that modern influencers follow to this day. The real turning point in Kim's business journey came with the launch of KKW Beauty in 2017. The brand's strategy was simple but brilliant: leverage her personal image to sell high-demand beauty products. From contour kits to lipsticks, KKW Beauty thrived on exclusivity and timing. Limited edition launches, clever use of social media, and an understanding of consumer psychology created a sense of urgency. Fans knew that if they didn't buy fast, they would miss out. Within a few years, KKW Beauty had become a massive success, reportedly generating hundreds of millions in revenue before Kim sold a majority stake in the company. Her approach demonstrated a deep understanding of marketing psychology, showing that her fame was only the foundation of her wealth. Strategic execution was what built her empire. Following her success in beauty, Kim identified another niche with enormous potential: shapewear. In 2019, she launched SKIMS, a brand that would disrupt the fashion industry. Unlike traditional shapewear, SKIMS focused on comfort, inclusivity, and practicality, offering a wide range of sizes to cater to all body types. Kim's insight was simple but powerful. The market was saturated with products that made women feel uncomfortable or excluded. SKIMS was designed to solve real problems, and Kim's personal influence ensured instant credibility. From seamless marketing to clever celebrity endorsements and social media campaigns, SKIMS quickly grew into a billion-dollar brand, valued at over $1.6 billion by 2021. What made SKIMS remarkable wasn't just the product, it was the combination of Kim's strategic vision and her ability to shape consumer perception. But Kim didn't stop there. She diversified her portfolio, investing in tech startups, apps, and other ventures that complemented her brand. She co-founded apps like Kim Kardashian Hollywood, which became a global phenomenon, and explored partnerships in industries ranging from wellness to mobile technology. Each investment was carefully aligned with her image, reinforcing her brand while opening new revenue streams. By leveraging her influence across multiple domains, Kim built a resilient business model that extended far beyond traditional celebrity endorsements. Education and legal advocacy also play a role in Kim's empire. Over the past few years, she's been studying law and advocating for criminal justice reform, gaining recognition as an influential activist. While not a direct revenue generator, these efforts enhance her credibility and brand image, showing that she can pivot her public influence into areas that have a meaningful impact. This diversification, business, entertainment, advocacy, demonstrates a sophisticated understanding of personal brand longevity. Several key lessons emerge from Kim Kardashian's rise. First, personal branding is not incidental, it's a business strategy. Every public appearance, social media post, and product launch serve to reinforce a carefully curated image. Second, understanding and leveraging digital platforms is crucial. Kim recognized the power of social media long before many traditional businesses did, using it as a direct line to millions of loyal customers. Third, product innovation matters. From beauty to shapewear, Kim has consistently identified gaps in the market and delivered products that resonate with consumers. Finally, calculated risk-taking is essential. Launching a billion-dollar brand requires boldness, resilience, and the ability to learn from failures. Kim Kardashian's empire is not just bigger than Hollywood in monetary terms, it's also a blueprint for modern entrepreneurship. She shows that fame, when combined with strategy, vision, and relentless execution, can create a business empire that outlasts trends and media cycles. From reality TV to billion-dollar brands, Kim has mastered the art of turning attention into influence and influence into wealth. Her story challenges traditional notions of celebrity and business, proving that in the digital age, anyone with insight, strategy, and persistence can leverage visibility into tangible success. Kim Kardashian didn't just ride the wave of fame, she created her own tide, transforming her name into a global brand that spans industries and continents. In the end, Kim's empire is a testament to the power of modern entrepreneurship. It combines innovation, personal branding, media savvy, and strategic risk-taking. Whether you admire her journey or critique her methods, there's no denying that she has reshaped what it means to be a modern business mogul. Her journey is a reminder that in today's world, fame is not the finish line, it's just a beginning. And that's how Kim Kardashian built a business empire bigger than Hollywood itself. From reality TV star to billionaire entrepreneur, she turned fame into a strategy, creating brands like KKW Beauty and SKIMS that revolutionize beauty and fashion. Her story is a perfect example of how vision, risk-taking, and smart marketing can turn influence into massive success. Whether you admire her journey or find it surprising, there's no denying that Kim Kardashian has redefined what it means to be a modern business mogul. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Kim's empire, make sure to hit that like button to show your support. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more stories about the world's most fascinating entrepreneurs and trendsetters. And click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. You'll get notified as soon as we release a new video packed with insights, strategies, and inspiration.